Hi everyone. I'm very happy to be here on day 2 live at the Data Innovation Summit with Stefan Esping, who is coming from IKEA. And Stefan is Data and Machine Learning Domain Manager at IKEA and also one of our speakers at this edition. And we are very happy to have you with us, Stefan. Welcome.
Happy to be here as well. Thank you.
Stefan, this is your first time on the summit, and we're very happy to have you present here and share your expertise and knowledge. So I would like to ask you, how does it feel to be here on the summit for the first time, and what are your impressions, and how do you feel to be presenting in front of so many people who work in the same and different fields from yours?
Well, I felt energized from the day I stepped in, yesterday when I stepped into this room here. It felt so energized with all these topics that are so interesting for me to both learn from and to share my experience with people, right? So many good people to talk to, so many interesting companies to connect to. And then on speaking here, it was amazing to speak in front of a full crowd, full house, sharing all the learnings that we have had in IKEA the last 4 years on developing a customer service that are using AI in a responsible way to actually create business value. It was really fun, and I hope to come back again.
Thank you. We would like that as well, and hope to see you on the next edition next year. And we're very happy that you're enjoying it and it's fun for you. My next question would be regarding your presentation here at the summit. Can you share what that was about, and also what is one thing that you want to, what is the message of the presentation that you want to share with the audience here at the summit?
Yeah, so my presentation was about how to provide proven business value using AI in customer service, helping both the co-workers that are supplying the service, but also customers in making their lives a bit easier and a bit better by using AI. So that was what it's about. I talked numbers about how much work hours we are saving by automating and avoiding things, right? By building interaction analytics, building co-pilots for co-workers, and building customer-facing chatbots. And the message I want to convey is that it is possible to get value from AI today, but you cannot just use out-of-the-box solutions and hope for the best. You need to put in the work. You need to put in the work with your data and your data quality and your data sources. That is really the hard part, together with, of course, business and organizational challenges to get AI to work. Right? Actual machine learning models are the easy part. The hard part is the organizational business logic and the data quality and data strategy. And so that was the main message that I had, that I wanted to share with other companies that also could use AI in a responsible way to help businesses.
Yes, thank you for sharing that. I'm sure that these insights are valuable, especially for those who work in similar industries and fields as well. And I would like to hear your perspective and experience in terms of some challenges that you and your team may have come across when it comes to data and machine learning. In your case, so what would you say is the biggest challenge, or what have you been struggling with when working in your field?
The main struggle is, of course, several. One is from a legal and sort of expectation perspective, that people are afraid of AI. So to overcome that and really bring people with you into the AI revolution, that has been a challenge that has taken quite some time. And then it is on the technical side, it is on the data platform, and you can see so many companies here at the moment talking about how to create data that AI can use. it is still something that I see needs significant work to have a data platform that can be used to leverage AI to make both development and usage and business processes more efficient. That is really the key, I would say, when it comes from a technical part.
Thank you for sharing that. Here at the summit, we want to provide a platform where people and organizations can share what they have been struggling with. And because a lot of people may think that they are alone in something, but a lot of organizations face the same or similar challenges. So thank you for sharing that.
Yeah, I can also add that you hear the same from like Boston Consulting Group and other firms that we have this 70-20-10 model where 70% of the work is on business and operations and organization to get the AI right. 20 is on data and tech, and then 10% is on the models and AI as such. So you need to engage with your business and your coworkers, and you need to have a solid data and tech foundation. Then everything is easier.
Thank you for adding that as well to my question. My next question would be regarding value creation, which is the main topic this year at the summit, how to create value from both data and AI. And I'm curious to hear your take on this. What would you suggest companies do, or what would your advice be to them when it comes to getting value out of initiatives in both data, AI, machine learning in your case, and what can they do differently maybe?
Yeah, one thing is that you need to get going. You need to start experimenting a bit at the same time as you need to have a long-term plan and a vision to keep you going in the same direction. So don't be afraid to experiment and try to get to really know what works and what works. That's the same as with any new technology. It's hard to see what actually works or not. So start experimenting, bring your business with you.
Thank you for sharing that. And one more question I have before we summarize this talk today. If you had to describe the Data Innovation Summit in one word, what would that word be?
It's exciting and inspiring. And I'm travel back tired, but really, really pumped.
But worth
for
it.
the future. Yes.
Thank you very much, Stefan.